Latest developments from that visit, but right now we have some breaking news coming in on the Tirupati Laddu Rao. Now, the former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Jagan Mohan Reddy, has written a letter to the Prime Minister regarding the Tirumala Laddu Rao, and in this letter he has accused Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu of attempting to tarnish the sanctity, the integrity and the reputation of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, that is the board. And Jagan further alleges that Naidu is a pathological liar, he's a habitual liar, and that Naidu is harming the beliefs of millions for political gains. That's the big update we have right now. Viewer, Jagan Mohan Reddy is facing a lot of backlash. Remember, there is a BJP protest that is underway right outside his house. Many BJP leaders have been detained as well, and it's drawing a lot of flack as there have been elaborate reports that have shown adulteration in the laddus. And now Jagan Mohan Reddy, in the dock, he has now written a letter to the Prime Minister. He has written to the Prime Minister Modi about the politics, what he is alleging it to be. My colleague Aneri joins us live from Tirupati right now. Aneri, of course, Jagan Mohan Reddy has been under scanner. His government, his previous regime has been under scanner, and now he has written a letter to the Prime Minister. What are the other details that you are gathering as far as this letter is concerned?
Well, that's right, Rakshita. Big development coming in where we see that amid the Tirupati Rao, Laddu Rao, which has been going on all across the country, now we see that the former Chief Minister, Jagan Mohan Reddy, has now written a letter to Prime Minister Modi seeking his action against those who, against Chandrababu Naidu after he made this statement of adulteration of ghee in the Tirupati Laddu during his regime. Well, Chandrababu Naidu had leveled this allegation of animal fat being used in the Tirupati Laddu during Jagan Mohan Reddy's regime, but now what we are seeing is that Jagan Mohan Reddy, in a letter to Prime Minister Modi, he has very clearly stated that that attempts are being made by Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu to imperially tarnish the sanctity and integrity and reputation of the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam, where we also see that he further went on to state that Chandrababu Naidu is pathologically and habitual liar and has stooped to a new low and has seriously hurt the beliefs of crores of people across the country, and just for his political objective is what Jagan Mohan Reddy has to say. And that is why Jagan Mohan Reddy also continues to demand that Prime Minister Modi should intervene into this and take action against this thing, is what Jagan Mohan Reddy has to say. He has urged Prime Minister Modi to act against Chandrababu Naidu over the baseless allegations made by him over the TTD Laddu, the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, which is one of the one of the main temples here in South India, if we talk about. And not only that, but all across the world, people come to visit Tirumala once in their lifetime, and they take this Laddu from here. But also, now when we talk about all about this Tirupati Laddu Row, which has been going on, the NDDB report shows that there are findings, there are traces of fish oil and beef being found. But however, the YSRCP being denying all of these, and Jagan Mohan Reddy also mentioned in his letter to Prime Minister that those who did not meet the satisfactory level, their contract was rejected, is what Jagan Mohan Reddy has to say, and he calls it a baseless allegation leveled by Chandrababu Naidu for his political benefits, is what Jagan Mohan Reddy has to say.
All right, thanks so much, Aneri, for joining us with those details coming in, viewers. So another development in the Tirumala Rao. Now, Jagan Mohan Reddy has written a letter to the Prime Minister alleging politics on the side of Chandrababu Naidu, calling him a pathological liar. And now, viewers, we shift our focus to the other story we're tracking from across the country. Bharat in 2 minutes. The Indo-Islamic Cultural Foundation, set up by the Sunni Central Waqf Board to manage the Dhanipur Mosque project in Ayodhya, has dissolved 4 committees, including one focused on the shrine's development, and decision made during a meeting chaired by IICP Chief Trustee Zufar Farooqi aims to enhance resource mobilization amid a funding crisis. The IICF is now prioritizing better coordination and expediting the necessary clearances under the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act to facilitate the overseas donations.